Hybrid cars have been around for more than 2 decades, but many people still don't fully understand how they work or why they exist. When you hear the term hybrid, the first thing that probably comes to mind is a car with both a gasoline engine and an electric motor, but that's only the beginning. Hybrids are a fascinating example of automotive engineering, combining two different power sources to maximize efficiency, reduce emissions, and sometimes even improve performance. They are not just compromises between gas and electric, they are highly optimized systems where each component works in harmony with the other to deliver an experience that is efficient, practical, and increasingly sophisticated. At the heart of a hybrid car is the principle of combining two engines, or more accurately, two power sources: the internal combustion engine and the electric motor. The gas engine operates much like it would in a traditional car, using fuel combustion to create power, which is transferred to the wheels. The electric motor, on the other hand, is powered by a high-voltage battery and can drive the wheels directly without the engine. The key innovation in hybrid design is figuring out how to blend these two sources seamlessly so that the car uses the right amount of power from each source at any given moment. This requires complex engineering, software, and real-time decision making that most drivers never even notice. The car handles it all automatically. One of the most common hybrid designs is the parallel hybrid, where both the gasoline engine and the electric motor can drive the wheels independently or together. In city driving, where speeds are low and stop and go traffic is common, the electric motor often does most of the work. It can accelerate the car without turning on the gasoline engine, resulting in zero tailpipe emissions during that phase. When more power is needed, such as for highway driving or overtaking, the gasoline engine kicks in, working in combination with the electric motor to provide a smooth and efficient boost. This blending of power is coordinated by a computer system that constantly monitors speed, battery charge, driver input, and other factors to decide the optimal power split. Another important hybrid design is the series hybrid, which works a bit differently. In this setup, the gasoline engine does not directly drive the wheels. Instead, it functions as a generator, producing electricity that powers the electric motor. The electric motor is the sole source of propulsion, while the gas engine acts like a range extender. This design allows the car to operate more like an electric vehicle most of the time, while eliminating range anxiety because the gasoline engine can recharge the battery as needed. Series hybrids are particularly efficient in urban environments, where frequent stops and low-speed driving would normally waste energy in a conventional engine. Then there are plug-in hybrids, which take the concept one step further. These vehicles have larger battery packs than standard hybrids and can be charged from an external power source, like a wall outlet or public charging station. Plug-in hybrids allow drivers to cover tens of miles on electric power alone, sometimes enough for an entire daily commute, before the gasoline engine is needed. This setup provides the flexibility of electric driving for short distances and gasoline power for longer trips, making it a practical transition technology for people who want to experience electric driving without fully committing to an electric vehicle. One of the most interesting aspects of hybrid systems is energy regeneration. Traditional cars waste a lot of energy when braking, as kinetic energy is converted into heat through the brakes. Hybrids capture some of that energy through regenerative braking, converting it back into electricity stored in the battery. This means that every time you slow down, part of that energy is recycled to power the car later. It's a clever way to increase efficiency and reduce overall fuel consumption, especially in stop and go traffic. The system is so seamless that many drivers don't even notice the process, though some hybrids intentionally simulate engine braking to give a more familiar feel. Battery management is another critical part of the hybrid equation. Unlike fully electric vehicles, hybrids need smaller batteries because the gasoline engine can provide power when the battery is low. However, managing when to charge and discharge the battery requires sophisticated software. The car has to ensure that the battery is neither overused nor underused, which could reduce its lifespan. Hybrid systems use predictive algorithms that take into account driving conditions, historical data, and driver behavior to optimize battery performance. This constant monitoring and adjustment is a major reason why hybrids are so efficient. They make sure that each joule of energy is used in the most effective way possible. Transmission design is also unique in many hybrids. Some hybrids use a traditional automatic or continuously variable transmission, but others use an electronically controlled system that can blend engine and electric motor power without conventional gears. This allows the car to operate smoothly across a wide range of speeds and driving conditions. For example, at low speeds, the electric motor can run silently and efficiently, while at higher speeds, the gasoline engine can operate in its most efficient range, reducing fuel consumption. The coordination between engine, motor, and transmission is seamless, making hybrids feel surprisingly natural to drive despite their complexity under the hood. Fuel efficiency is, of course, one of the main selling points of hybrids. By combining the strengths of gasoline and electric power, hybrids reduce fuel consumption and emissions compared to conventional vehicles. They excel in urban driving, where frequent stopping and starting would otherwise waste fuel. Highways, while less efficient for regeneration, still benefit from the engine optimization that hybrids provide. Depending on the model, hybrids can achieve anywhere from 30% to 50% better fuel economy than comparable conventional cars. For many drivers, this translates to thousands of dollars in fuel savings over the life of the vehicle, as well as reduced environmental impact. Performance is another area where hybrids are surprisingly strong. Many people assume that hybrids sacrifice power for efficiency, but that's not always true. By combining the instant torque of electric motors with the sustained power of gasoline engines, hybrids can provide smooth acceleration and impressive responsiveness. Sports-oriented hybrids, like some high-performance models from luxury brands, use electric motors to fill in gaps in power delivery, resulting in acceleration that feels stronger than a traditional engine of similar size. In fact, hybrid technology has allowed engineers to design cars that are both fast and efficient, breaking the old stereotype that hybrids are slow, boring commuter cars. Maintenance is also a point of interest for hybrid owners. While hybrids are more complex under the hood, many components actually experience less wear and tear. The gasoline engine may run less frequently, reducing stress and extending its lifespan. Brakes often last longer because regenerative braking reduces mechanical wear. The battery and electric motor are built to last, and warranties typically cover these components for many years. While some hybrid systems require specialized service, overall maintenance is often comparable to conventional vehicles, and the savings in fuel costs can offset any additional service expenses over time. Hybrid technology continues to evolve rapidly. Manufacturers are developing more powerful and efficient electric motors, higher capacity batteries, and smarter software algorithms. Plug-in hybrids are bridging the gap between conventional and fully electric vehicles, providing a versatile solution for people concerned about range limitations or charging infrastructure. Some hybrids even incorporate advanced driver assistance systems that optimize energy use based on traffic conditions, navigation routes, and real-time environmental factors. This integration of powertrain and digital intelligence represents the next frontier in automotive efficiency and sustainability. Consumer adoption has grown steadily as the benefits of hybrids become clearer. Many drivers now see hybrids as practical, environmentally responsible, and cost-effective vehicles. They offer a middle ground for those hesitant to fully commit to electric vehicles, providing a taste of electric driving while retaining the convenience and range of gasoline engines. Hybrids also demonstrate how innovative engineering can solve real-world problems, such as urban congestion, air pollution, and fuel consumption, in a way that is accessible to everyday drivers. Whether it's a traditional hybrid, a series hybrid, or a plug-in hybrid, these vehicles represent a major step forward in automotive design, bridging the gap between conventional combustion engines and the all-electric cars of the future. Understanding how these two engines work together not only explains the technology, but also highlights the ingenuity behind modern cars, showing that efficiency and performance don't have to be mutually exclusive. Hybrids are proof that engineering can create solutions that are practical, environmentally friendly, and enjoyable to drive, a true glimpse into the future of mobility.